Good afternoon. Chapter Integral, exercise 7.2, question number 10. Question number 10 is integrate dx by x minus root x. So, integration of dx by x minus root x. Okay. So, from the denominator, take common root x. Root x is common. Then root x minus 1. Now let root x minus 1 equal to t. Okay, so differentiate both sides with respect to t. Root x derivative 1 by 2 root x. Okay, minus 1 derivative 0 equal to dt by dx. So this equal to dx by root x equal to 2 dt. Okay, now this question becomes dx by root x means we can write 2 into dt. Okay, so 2 you write at first, then integration sign dt and root x minus 1 equal to t. Okay, and dt by t, what is the formula? Dt by t,
log mod of t.
Log mod of t plus c, integration constant. Now t means 2 log, t means root x minus 1, root x minus 1 plus c. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, next.
Yes, sir.
To question number 15. Same type question. 15 number, integration of x dx 9 minus 4x square. X dx integration of 9 minus 4x square. Okay, so let 9 minus 4x square equal to t. So differentiate both sides with respect to x. 9 is constant and x square is 2x, so minus 4 into 2, 8x. Okay, directly you can write dx equal to dt. It's okay. Directly you can write minus 8x
Yes,
dx
sir.
equal to dt. Now, what is x dx equal to? Because the numerator is x dx, so x dx equal to dt by minus 8.
dt by minus 8.
So this equal to dt by minus 8. So minus 1 by 8 into dt, and 9 minus 4x square equal to t. Okay, then minus 1 by 8 log of mod of t plus c. So this equal to minus 1 by 8 log, and t means 9 minus 4x square. 9 minus 4x square plus c. This is the answer by using substitute method. Okay. Next question number 18.
Yes, sir.
Number 18. Integration of e to the power tan inverse x. E to the power tan inverse x divided by 1 plus x square. Divided by 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square e to the power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square into dx. E to the power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square into dx. So, what to substitute here? Let, any idea? Let
T to the power tan inverse x
y to the power tan inverse x.
equal to T.
So, take that one whose derivative is present in the given integration. Whose derivative is present in the given integration? What is the derivative of tan inverse x? Huh? Tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So 1 by 1 plus x square present in the given question. So you take tan inverse x equal to t. Okay. Clear. Now
Yes, sir.
its derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square, tan inverse x derivative, into dx equal to dt. Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
use this. So this equal to e to the power tan inverse x, that means e to the power t, and dx by 1 plus x square equal
Into
to
dt.
yes, dt. And e to the power t integration, e to the power t only, plus c,
Yes, sir.
and t means e to the power tan inverse x plus c. This is the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, question number 28. Integration of cos x by under root 1 plus sin x. One plus sin x dx. Okay. So sin x derivative cos x. So take 1 plus sin x equal to t. Let 1 plus sin x equal to t. So its derivative, sin x derivative cos x dx equal to dt.
Cos x is equal to T.
Okay. So this becomes cos x dx equal to dt. So dt by root t.
Root T.
Root t. And root t means t to the power half. And t to the power half means 1 by t to the power half means t to the power minus half. Okay. So its integration is t to the power minus half plus 1 divided by minus half plus 1 plus c. So minus half plus 1 means plus half. So t to the power half by half, that is 2 t to the power half plus c, and t means t equal to 1 plus sin x. So under root 1 plus sin x, half means under root 1 plus sin x plus c. This is the answer. Okay. Okay, this clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Integration of sin x by 1 plus cos x. 1 plus cos x dx. Okay. So let 1 plus cos x equal to t. Okay. So what is cos x derivative? Huh? Minus
Minus sin x dx is equal to dt.
equal to dt. So this becomes sin x dx equal to minus dt. That means, so minus sign you write at first, dt by 1 plus cos x equal to t, and this equal to minus log mod of t plus c. Okay, so minus log t means 1 plus cos x
1 plus cos.
plus c. Okay, this is the answer. Next question number 32. Integration of dx by 1 plus cot x. Okay, so first to simplify this, cot x means dx by 1 plus cos by sin, cos x by sin x equal to, sin x is the LCM, so sin x dx by
Sin x plus cos.
plus cos x. Okay, sin x plus cos x. Now take half into 2, half multiplied by half and into 2, so 2 into 2 cancel, so 2 sin x dx by sin x plus cos x. Okay, so arrange this half, so you can write sin x plus cos x, numerator you can write sin x plus cos x plus sin x minus cos x. Okay, so cos x cancel, and sin x 2 sin x by sin x plus cos x plus cos x into dx. Okay, now separate this, so half into sin x plus cos x by divided by sin x plus cos x dx plus half into sin x minus cos x divided by sin x plus cos x into dx. Okay, then sin x plus cos x, sin x plus cos x, so it is cancelled, so only dx plus half into sin x minus cos x by sin x plus cos x into dx. Okay, first one to directly you can do dx integration x, and for second one let sin x plus cos x equal to t. So let sin x plus cos x equal to t. So its derivative, sin x derivative cos x
Minus cos x plus sin x.
minus cos x derivative minus sin x. Okay, dx equal to dt. So question is sin x minus cos x. So minus sign common. Minus sin x minus cos x dx equal to dt. Okay, so this means sin x minus cos x into dx equal
is
to
equal to minus dt.
half into dx equal to half into dx, then minus half into dt minus half dt by t dt by t. Okay,
Yes, sir.
now integrate half dx integration x minus half dt by t is log mod of t plus c integration.
Mod of
Okay, then x by 2 minus half into log t means sin x plus cos x
sin x plus cos x.
plus cos x plus c. Okay, it is clear. This is the answer.
Yes, sir.
This.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Question number 38. Integration of 10 into x to the power 9. 10 into x to the power 9 plus 10 to the power x into log 10 divided by x to the power 10 plus 10 to the power x into dx. Okay, so first you find this integration. So is integrate is let x to the power 10 denominator part plus 10 to the power x equal to t. Now its derivative x to the power 10 derivative is 10 into x to the
10
power
x to the power 9.
plus and a to the power x formula, that is 10 to the power x derivative, 10 to the power x into log 10 log a. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this into dx equal to dt. Okay, so 10 into
Yes,
x to the
sir.
9 plus 10 to the power log 10 dx equal to dt. So this is the numerator. So question becomes dt by t, no?
dt by dt by
dt by t, this integration log of mod of t plus c, and this equal to log of t means x to the power 10 plus 10 to the power x plus c. Okay, so here 4 options are there, A, B, C, D. Which option is correct?
d.
Option D. So D option is correct. This is option D. Okay, clear? Next, question number 39. 39. dx by, important question, dx by sin square x into cos square x sin square x into cos square x. Okay. So numerator is 1. 1 we can write the formula sin square x plus cos square x. So write this sin square x plus cos square x. Okay. Divided by sin square x into cos square x. You can write
Yes, sir.
sin square x into cos square x into dx. Now separate this to make two integration. So sin square x by sin square x by sin square x into cos square x into cos square x dx plus cos square x by cos square x by sin square x into cos square x into cos square x into dx. Okay. Now see the first one, sin square x cancel. So 1 by cos square x. 1 by cos square x means 1 by cos square x means sec square x
Sec square x.
dx plus, and here cos square x cancel. So 1 by sin square x means cos x square x
Cosec square x dx.
dx. Now what is the formula of sec square x? Integration sec square x. Integration formula tan x.
Sec x tan x.
Sec square x, not sec. Sec square x is tan x, and cosec square x is minus cot x. Okay, plus c. Okay, this is the answer, and this is which option? Option B, tan x minus cot x plus c. So this is option B. Okay, clear it is?
Yes, sir.
Next, exercise 7.3, question number 1. Question number 1. The first question is sin square 2x plus 5 dx. Okay, so use trigonometric formula. Sin square theta means, because sin square no direct formula is there in integration, so we have to simplify this. So sin square theta formula is 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Okay. 1 minus cos 2 into 2x plus 5 by 2. Okay, trigonometric formula by 2 integration dx. Okay, then 1 by 2, separate this, 1 by 2 dx, then minus 1 by 2 cos 4x plus 10. Okay, dx. So integrate this dx integration x. So x by 2 minus, what is the cos integration? Hello?
Minus sin x.
Minus cos integration plus sign.
So sin x.
So sin half into sin whatever angle 4x plus 10, this divided by what? 4x plus 10.
Integration of 4x plus 10.
No, not integration. Derivative of 4x plus 10, 4. 4. If derivative, then multiply by 4 into 4. Okay. If integration, then divide it by 4. Okay. Remember this. Clear? Or we can
Yes,
take
sir.
otherwise you can take 4x plus 10 equal to t. Clear my point?
Yes, sir.
Otherwise you can take 4x plus 10 equal to t, or directly you can write 4x plus 10 derivative is 4, so divided by 4. Okay. So this means
Yes, sir.
x by 2, because if you take 4x plus 10 equal to t, then you have to do derivative 4x plus 10. Okay, same thing only. So minus 1 by 8 4 into 2 sine 4x plus 10
Plus
plus
2.
okay. Is clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's do number 2. Question number 2 is sine 3x into cos 4x dx. Okay. So use the formula sine a cos b. So 1, 2 need no 2. So take half into 2. Then you can use the formula, trigonometric formula, 2 sine 3x cos 4x dx. You can use now 2 sine a cos b formula.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Or we can say 2 cos a sine b, same thing only. So it is sine a plus b minus sine a minus b. Okay. Sine a plus b minus sine a minus b. So sine a plus b sine 4x plus 3x a plus b minus sine a minus b 4x minus 3x into dx. Okay. 2 cos a sine b formula. So this equal
Yes,
to
sir.
half into sine 7x.
Sine 4x.
7x dx minus half into sine x dx. Okay, that means trigonometric all formula need. You have to remember trigonometric formula. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is sine integration? Half into
Minus cos x.
so minus cos 7x by divided by what? Tell.
7.
7, yes. And then sine formula.
Plus half cos x.
Yes. Sin x is cos x. Minus cos x, no? So minus minus plus, no? See.
Yes, sir.
Plus c. So equal to minus 1 by 14 cos 7x plus
Half cos x. Plus.
half cos x plus c. Okay. Huh? That
Yes,
means
sir.
if you know the formula, trigonometric formula, then easily you can do. Okay. Next, question number 8. One minus cos x by 1 plus cos x into dx. Okay. So what is the formula? 1 minus cos x? Huh? 2 sine square formula x by 2. Okay. And then 1 plus cos 6 formula.
Yes, sir.
1 plus cos 6 formula. 2 cos
2
square
cos
x by 2. Okay.
x by 2.
Dx. So 2 cancel, sin by cos tan. So it is tan square x by 2. So tan square, any formula is there in integration? Huh?
No, sir.
So use formula. Tan square means we know sec square x by 2 minus 1, no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then separately write sec square x by 2 into dx minus dx. Now, so what is the integration of sec square x? Sec square formula, integration, sec square.
Tan x.
If it is sec square x, then tan x, and here sec square x by 2. So tan x by 2 by
X by 2.
no
By 1 by 2.
1 by 2. X by 2 derivative 1 by 2. You remember this? In derivative it is into half, and integration divided by half. Okay. Minus
Yes,
x
sir.
plus c dx integration x, and this equal to 2 tan
2 tan x by 2 minus x plus c.
minus x plus c. This is the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Till now, is clear?
Yes,
Clear.
sir.
So you understood all the questions? Whatever done?
Yes, sir.
Need practice now. Practice all the questions. Okay. Today you practice and practice all examples and formula also. Very, very important. All trigonometry formula need. Class 11, whatever you've done, formula. Okay. All formulas need in integration chapter. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.